Let's just take a look at this one. So I'll just go through my thought process here. So I do have a filtering report that I use, and it alerted me to this one in plug. And let me go here on our VWAP page. So this is yesterday's activity as I was watching it. I was watching it all day, and like towards the end of the day, that's where I decided, like, let me do small trade in here. So here's in plug, and one of the things that I was looking at are these volume burst trades. And when I looked at it yesterday, I think there was, something like maybe 12-1 or something like that. But what this is doing is it's looking at very large volume trades and keeping track where they're unusual for this particular stock. Okay. And it's keeping track of these volume bursts throughout the day. So it's saying, okay, there's a lot of volume here. But this is particularly taking out a certain type, a category of volume where it looks more of a more committed large trade. Okay. We'll go over some examples over here. And when I looked at it, I started looking at it over here from the morning. I noticed, okay, there's a big one in the morning, $2 million worth. Let's just go to that one, which is for this particular stock. So you see here, $2 million worth of stock. So at that, for this time of day, that was 2.7 times above an average volume for this type of day. And sometimes that happens, but what I do is just wait for those to repeat and not see anything on the other side of it. And then as the day went on, I could see that it kind of continued. You could see a bunch of them at 10 o'clock, a bunch of them at 11, then at 12 o'clock. So these big volume trades started to really pile up all from one side. And the idea there is that if there are big traders there, it could be one, it could be multiple. The more they keep taking that book, they take out the offers, the more they're doing that, the less resistance you have, because you're taking the supply off, right? You keep taking the supply off the order book. There's limit order books and order. So if that continues, eventually the resistance will fade. All right. And I just noted that yesterday there weren't that many sell bursts. So there was a big, so not only was it on, you could see here 19 million versus 3 million. There weren't as many sell bursts. You could see the count and a lot more notional value. So it was persistent. Then I compared it just to where the average daily was, 5 million versus 4.7 million. So one thing I noticed is that